In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache to fix Shopify display issues on desktop. If your Shopify store looks strange on your computer, maybe images won't load, styles seem broken, or updates aren't showing, your browser cache is often the culprit. The cache is a temporary storage that helps pages load faster by saving files like images and scripts. Over time, those saved files can become outdated and cause your store to display incorrectly. Clearing the cache forces your browser to fetch fresh, up-to-date content from Shopify. First, open Chrome on your desktop. We'll make a quick trip into the browser's settings. Click the menu icon in the top right corner of Chrome, the one with the 3 lines or dots, and choose Settings. Don't worry, we're only going to clear site data related to cached files, so you won't lose your bookmarks or saved passwords unless you choose to remove cookies as well. In the Settings page, head to the Privacy and Security section. This is where Chrome keeps all the controls for cookies, site data, and cached content. Look for the area related to cookies and site data, then select the option to clear data. You'll see choices for what to remove. Make sure the option for cached content, often labeled cached images and files or cached web content, is checked. This specifically targets the temporary files that can cause Shopify pages to look out of date. You'll also see an option for cookies. Only check cookies if you're still experiencing issues after clearing the cache, or if your store behaves strangely, like showing the wrong login state or cart. Clearing cookies can help, but it signs you out of websites, so keep that in mind before you proceed. Once you've selected the cached content, click Clear. Depending on how much data has built up, this might take a moment. When it's done, close all Chrome windows and restart the browser. Restarting ensures everything resets properly and that Chrome begins loading your Shopify store with fresh files. When Chrome reopens, navigate back to your Shopify store and browse a few pages. You should notice that missing images, layout glitches, or old styles are resolved. If you still see persistent issues, consider repeating the process and including cookies, knowing you'll need to sign back into your accounts. That's it. By clearing cached web content and restarting Chrome, you refresh the connection between your browser and Shopify, which is one of the fastest and safest ways to resolve display problems on desktop.